Do you spend more time refilling the soap dispenser on your kitchen sink than using it? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a cool solution right after this.
Regardless of your skill level in home repair or woodworking, you want a glue that you can trust, because a glue that doesn't work can ruin any project in a hurry. Fortunately, Titebond has the glue you need to get the job done with confidence. From interior glues with strong initial tack and short clamp times, to exterior glues with exceptional strength and water resistance, look to Titebond for the right glue for your next project. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
Many kitchen sinks have a pump-style soap dispenser which is installed in place of a spray nozzle. The problem with these dispensers is that they only hold about a pint of liquid soap, so you're constantly refilling them. And refilling isn't that easy because you can't really see how much you're pouring in, so it typically overflows. Instead, try this solution. Remove the existing pint-sized bottle from the soap dispenser. Then pull off the rigid fill tube from the pump mechanism and replace it with a long length of flexible 1/4-inch diameter tubing. Route the tube down to the bottom of the sink cabinet where you can insert it into a large economy-sized jug of soap. No more refilling, just simply replace the jug when it's empty. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.